guys, tonight I'm going to make a munchkin. Gagawa tayo ng graham balls guys, or munchkins. Tonight guys, gagawa tayo ng munchkins. So this is our graham crust, our icing candies, and this is my marshmallows. This is my condensed milk. This is our Milo, and this is my small butter for greasing my hands. So we are going to start now guys, kasi malinis na ang aking mga kamay. Okay, so here we go. We are going to make a wheel, and then maglagay na tayo ng ating condensed guys. So siguraduhin lang natin guys na hindi masyadong mabasa or wet ang ating graham. At kung medyo dry siya, maglagay tayo ulit ng condensed milk. Pero tansya-tansya lang guys. Magdidepende yon sa inyong graham crust. Okay? Ouch! Ouch, ouch, ouching. I think this will do. So, kakamayin ko na guys. Malinis pa naman ang kamay ko. Oh. Yan ang kunti. Okay na. So, mag-brace na tayo ng ating kamay. Wash mo na. So guys, this is our munchkin. This is our graham guys, na nilagyan na natin ng milk. So i-ano na natin. Mag-umpisa na tayo. Mag-grease muna ako ng aking kamay. So, wala akong measurement guys. Circle ko lang ito. So, ilagay natin ang ating marshmallow dito guys. Okay? So, ito na guys. So, i-dip natin ito guys dito ng ating parang colorful na naman. Wow. So, at ilagay ito sa ating ganda. Circle, circle. Circle, circle. Ito, wala itong marshmallow. At dito ko i-dip sa ating Milo. Hi guys, natapos ko na yung aking Munchkins. So ito na yun, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang aking Munchkins, okay? So guys, this is my final product guys. This is the Munchkins or Graham balls na nagawa ko ngayon. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this is 14 pieces of Munchkins. This is Graham balls in other terms, okay? So thank you for watching my channel guys. Thank you for subscribe. Have a good time. Bye.